So how do you break 3 axles and flip it?
Hell yeah.
Blow it up after I get it out.
Yeah, we've been stuck for about 3 hours.
Is that gunshots? Do I need to go through that? All right, give me a second. I'm locking her in. Am I following them?
No, go down there. Right up here to the right, after you get down to the floor. And then make a left, or are you going to pull me out?
Hypothetically, I can do it either way. I mean, I want to take a look at it, but...
Alright, so we'll hop out real quick and then take a look at it.
All right, hold on, pull up a little bit. This is like literally muddy.
Just Sandy, we're not waiting on the shore for him. It's in there. Like, it doesn't look bad, but it's bad. What the f*** What are you guys gonna
This is just sandy. Bro. Yeah, what are you talking about? Just sand.
Oh my
Like, you can pull right here. Like, this is solid.
Look,
right
I'll
there.
drive my four-wheeler on here so you can see what you're working with.
Okay, weird flex, but okay.
This is sugar over here. But over here is solid. Like,
I mean, I got enough line to get you from further than that.
up there. You can get them on that, right? We tried pulling up here and over there, and it was just flipping my bike because it's too much of an angle. And I only got one-wheel drive and broke 3 axles. Like, put on 4-wheel drive. That'll help, yeah.
Alright. What axle's still intact?
The rear.
So it's actually spinning. You got a walker?
Yeah. What? Yeah, I'll make sure.
I mean... certified. I'm about to just get wet. Hold on. Let me take my shoes off. I'm gonna be cold as shit. I hate you.
Huh? You want my waders?
No, I don't think alright.
Where's that?
Hold on. Do you wanna... I
got
got
a shackle?
shackle.
Yeah, let me get this off.
You need that rope, River?
No.
You got a shaky bike?
No, yeah, actually give me that rope.
Your bike's off, by the way.
Huh? Oh, it's off. Oh my god, dude. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
It's cold as My footsies are cold. I don't need no waiter. Look at this. Get this. We real Florida boys.
Oh my god, got the dogs out.
That's free feet pics right there. You're not allowed to clip my feet, mother.
Try again. Turn it all the way off. Try again.
Come on, Rover, I believe in you.
I told you.
Oh my Lord.
I let it say it.
Yeah, so I mean, we could all try and tug on it, or we hook it up to the rope and I back up. But with that, how long that line is,
Let's just all tug on it and see if we get it out.
Yeah, wouldn't hurt. Oh, you know what? Here, wait, come back a little bit. It's because of this. Hold on, we gotta get this out. There we go. Now try. That's gonna be better. There we go. That's what we're talking about.
Hold that toe up, make sure I don't bump over. Throw it on your backpack.
Are you in bed?
No.
Oh, okay.
Actually, we were at Wawa, believe it or not. So, I had to go get the truck, but
You'll probably get it out. It's suction.
Oh, I'll get it out.
I'm a professional. This is what I do.
Get it out.
How many pounds is that?
This one, believe it or not, is a 30,000 pound winch from Australia.
It'll pull.
All right, hold on.
Pull out game strong.
Yeah, this will get it out. 30,000 pounds. 30,000 pounds.
Hold on, let me put a blanket on it just to be safe.
Dude, I want nowhere near that. He's gonna put a blanket on it. You're good.
What?
Hold on, River, hold on. You need a top end anyway. Blow it up. I'll tow it back.
Blow it up after I get it out.
It's about to come out.
Hey, after this, I'll put it back on the roof again or what?
It's already been on the roof one time. Yeah, we already flipped it out.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the.
All right, come on. You got any juice at all?
Oh! I told you.
Don't rock the boat, baby. Rock the boat. Don't tip the boat over. Rock the boat. Don't rock the boat, baby. Rock the boat.
It's moving. Keep going. Hold on. Hold on. It's moving still. Keep going.
We're going back. We're like moving diagonal.
Because it's full up to that side.
Do you need to, hold on, do you need to switch where you're hooked up to? Do you need to switch your hookup point or you good?
I don't know. It's not pulling
If
it
you
like I
pull,
want it to.
because that side's the side that's not spinning, but the
I
other
don't know.
side's hooked
I think
up.
I need to hook it up lower so it pulls it up and
Hook
out.
it up
Yeah,
on the
or
other
the
side
other
that's not
side
spinning.
there.
Yeah.
It's about to come out. It was moving. Yeah, it's about to come out here.
Later, in the void.
It's buried up to the exhaust.
You need to go as low as you can. It's all buried up there.
Like, it's buried.
We've been here for 2 hours.
Yeah, we put the
Hook that to the wheel and call the insurance.
How do you even get it that way? Hook it up wherever you want to. If I break it,
You got it on camera.
Alright, hold on.
We're going.
Yeah!
Hell yeah.
You want me to stop?
Keep going.
Keep going!
I've never seen a Honda so unhappy. I'm giving the winch a little break.
2 very boring minutes later.
What do we need to do with it now?
You gotta get it out, and then he can pull me the rest of the way back. Alright, out to where? Just right here. As long as we get it out, like.
Or
it's all
if
good.
you're feeling like nice, you can get it up there.
Either one. As long as we get it
Because
out.
I gotta tow his out. And if we don't even
I can get this going. As long as we get on a solid ground, I can get it going.
It wants to start. It's like right.
I mean, if I back you up more and I pull straight and then I can re-angle and I can pull you up.
Yeah, that bitch was not coming out without a winch.
What were you guys pulling on anyway?
Everything, an F-150, my buggy, a GMC. Just no one was ballsy enough to get in there.
You're either incredibly brave or incredibly stupid.
Well,
Nobody has
someone's gotta do it.
30,000 pounds in. This is true.
You're kind of going up on a hill. You might.
Hey, come hold on to the line while I pull forward.
In the morning, Ray. In the morning.
No, it's just because you have one axle. I don't know,
swear
right?
it's like.
Hey, who got my strap?
Oh, fuck.
You got it? You have my rope?
I have no idea. What is?
And walk 'em like a dog. Walk 'em like a dog, sis. Walk 'em like a dog.
Austin, you're being a good boy.
Good boy, Austin.
Better if he pulled.
You're good.
Hey, next time you put it on the roof, I think that's we're gonna call it a night.
Yeah.
after that.
Yeah, I agree.
What I tell you? Pull out game strong. 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 Like I said, strong.
Subscribe to Stand Hope.
There you go, baby.
Like a subscribe to Sandville, new friend.